Hello friends, welcome to the Easy Computer Classes. We are discussing a module called as a data mining. Today's point is data mining versus knowledge discovery in databases. The term knowledge discovery in databases or KDD and data mining, these two words are interchangeably words. You can use KDD or data mining. Any word is fine. In fact, there have been many other names given to this process of discovering hidden information from the database, as such as knowledge extraction, information discovery, exploratory data analysis, and so on and so forth. We are having two definitions in front of you. One is regarding the KDD, is the process of finding useful information and patterns in the data. Second one is the definition of data mining, is the use of algorithm to extract the information and patterns derived by the KDD process. As KDD process involves many different steps, and to this process input is a data and output is a useful information desired by the user. This KDD process consists of 5 steps. First is selection. In this particular step, we are obtaining the data from the heterogeneous sources for the KDD process. We are obtaining the data from various data files, databases, and non-electronic sources. Second step is pre-processing. The data is used by the process may have incorrect or missing data sometimes, because we are receiving the data from the multiple sources in different formats. There may be many different activities performed at this time. Enormous data, a lot of data is get corrected sometimes, or the unwanted data is removed, whereas missing data must be assumed or supplied or predicted in this process. The third one is transformation. Data from, as we know that data is received from different sources and in a different format. We have to convert these different formats into some common format for the pre-processing step. Sometimes some data may be encoded or transformed into more usable formats. Data reduction may be used to reduce the number of possible data values being considered. So transformation of data into some common format is important in this transformation process. Fourth step is data mining. Based on the data mining tasks being performed, this step applies algorithm to the transformed data to generate the desired result. With the help of algorithm, we are obtaining the desired result, or we are generating the desired result. The final step is interpretation or evaluation. In this particular step, how the data mining results are presented to the user is very important, and it depends upon various visualization and GUI techniques, so that user will easily interpret the data, or user can evaluate the data very easily. This is the function of this step. Moving further, we are looking at this diagram, that is KDD process. Here initial data is there. This is the first step, selection. In this we are selecting the data which we required. After selection of the data, pre-processing step is get done. Then the next one is transformation, as we discussed right now, in some common format. Then we are applying the algorithm to generate results, and that results will be get interpreted by the user, and this result is nothing but the knowledge for the user. That is why it is called as a knowledge data discovery. So it is important that visualization is very important part of this data mining. So visualization refers to visual presentation of data. The old expression is that we know that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Means if we present a picture, we don't need to provide other information to get understand. Certainly this is true when we are examining the structure of data. So the visualization techniques includes the following things. One is graphical visualization technique, in which we are using a traditional graph structure like pie chart, histogram, bar chart, so on and so forth. The next is geometric. This technique includes the box plot or scatter diagram technique. We know that what is the box plot or scatter diagram technique. We are not going into the detail of that. Third technique is icon based. Using the figures, colors or other icons can improve the presentation of the results. Suppose in map sometimes we know that the temples, the rivers, the roads are presented by the images or figures. That would be very easy for any user to understand that there is a temple, there is a river or something like that. The next is your pixel based technique. In this particular technique, each data value is shown as uniquely colored pixel. Means every pixel is get colored and that is get named. Hierarchical. The next is hierarchical technique. In this hierarchical technique, divides the display area or screen into regions based on the data values. That is the hierarchical part. This according to the regions, the information is get divided, and that is also that to be based on the data values. Last one is your hybrid technique. This technique includes more than one techniques to get combined into one display. So this is all about your TDD concept. Thank you.